So I've got these two really cool, nice bracelets. Let's take them out. They are made from stones, believe it or not. These are crafted really nice from stones. Let's take them out. And they look really nice, as you can see, really cool. And as you can see, these are like elastic and adjustable to any size. And there you go. You can see how easy and nice they go on the hand, just like that. And this elastic is pretty strong and durable, as you can see. And the design on them is like really nice. You've got this, so you get 3 of them in the box, and you get this really cool brown kind of color, which is really nice. Then you have this more like a raw stone with holes in it. Looks like small little moons, I would say, which is really cool. And this like more well-rounded stones, and you can put them in any combination you want, but I think the best one is like with the brown one in the middle, something like that. So they are made from tiger's eye stone and black agate. I'm not sure how to pronounce this. So this is the tiger's eye stone. This is black agates or agate, I'm not sure how to pronounce this. And then volcanic stones, right. They all look so cool. And here you can see that you have like multiple strands of this elastic, so you know it's durable and adjustable, which is what you like in some of these bracelets. And you also have something to wipe them with, and some cards. Now let's take the other one out. So that's the other one. And yes, this is really cool as well. Let's take this one out as well. There we go. This is the same one, but it also has this here. So you've got the same elastic braided, the more elastics here, so it's strong and durable and easy, very easy to adjust to your hand. And as you can see, we have the same tiger's eye, the volcanic stone, and the black agate. Like you can really feel like these are stones. They really feel like stones, like rocks going on each other. You can feel like in the hand, when you have it on the hand, you can really feel it when it goes around. It feels like rocks going against each other. They don't feel like plastic or any like metal or something. They really like, and they even like sound like rocks. Not sure if you can hear. So if you try to mush them together, they sound like rocks. So 100% rocks. So that's how they look. We've got these ones on the right hand, which also have this here. And then we have these ones, like normal ones, only the rocks. And they're so easy to take out, so easy to put back in. And you can wear 1 or 2 or 3, which is really cool. You can see it's a bit loose here if you want. And then there you go.